Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up multi-login. Multi-login lets you access several accounts on the same website at the same time, which is incredibly useful. Imagine managing multiple social media profiles or different email accounts without constantly logging in and out. This guide will walk you through the process, making your online experience much smoother and more efficient. Let's dive into the benefits and methods. There are several effective ways to achieve multi-login. One popular method involves creating separate user profiles within your web browser, like Chrome or Firefox. Each profile acts as a distinct browsing environment. Another option is using incognito or private browsing windows for temporary, isolated sessions. Additionally, some browser extensions are specifically designed to help you manage multiple logins seamlessly. We'll explore these options further. Let's focus on setting up browser profiles, a very common and effective method. First, open your browser's settings and look for the Profiles or People section. Here, you can add a new profile, giving it a clear name like Work or Personal. Once created, you can easily switch between these profiles from your browser's main menu. Each profile maintains its own cookies and login states, keeping your account separate. When using multi-login, security is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts to prevent unauthorized access. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, making it much harder for others to log in. Remember to regularly review and clear browser data for any profiles you no longer use. These simple steps ensure your multi-login setup remains secure and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.